Hello guys, welcome back to Owl Wisdom. Today in this video we are going to learn water animals name. So let's begin. This is called fish. This is called dolphin. This is whale. This is called shark. This is called octopus. This is called starfish. This is called jellyfish. This is seahorse. This is eel. This is called crocodile. This is called turtle. This is called frog. This is called crab. This is called lobster. This is called snail. This is called coral.